two. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2.
Hi, and welcome to Synthesis 101. In this video, we're going to take a look at envelopes. An envelope is a modulator that uses time as a parameter. A modulator modulates or controls how something else behaves. For example, we can modulate the amplification of the oscillator with an envelope to control its volume over time. The most common envelope is an ADSR envelope. This stands for attack, decay, sustain, and release. Attack is the amount of time it takes to get from 0 to 100%. It starts when the envelope is activated by pressing a key on your synthesizer. After the attack comes the decay. This is the amount of time it takes to get from 100% to sustain level. Sustain is not a time setting, but the level at which the envelope will stay while the key is being pressed down. When you let go of the key, the release is the amount of time it will take for the envelope to return to 0% again. This synthesizer has two envelopes. By default, the first one modulates the amplification of the oscillators. We call this an amplitude envelope. The second envelope can be assigned to modulate different things. For example, we can modulate the cutoff frequency of the filter, Now you have learned the basics of envelopes. Thanks for watching this introduction to synthesis. Consider subscribing for more content about music production.